1956 Chevrolet 3100 regular cab short box Stepside here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Little street rod feel to this truck, 383 stroker underneath the hood, according to the previous owner. 700 R4 automatic transmission with overdrive. So this thing's ready to take down the highway, 10-inch rear end, 373 gears, and then nicely equipped besides power steering, power brakes, four-wheel disc, AC blows cold. Let's take a look at the chrome up front. Bright work between the grille, the chrome bumper, headlight surrounds. Looking good up here, turquoise in color, kind of harkening back to that 56 color combination, white top. Look through the still pictures on this one, folks. It's a nice one. UniqueClassicCars.com. Or if you're watching this video on YouTube, go ahead and click on the link down below this video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Check out all the still pics. Call us 507-386-1726. 5-spoke chrome Riddler wheels, and as you can see, disc brakes behind those. Now there's a few spots, and I'm talking pretty small. There's been a little bit of touch up on the hood. I don't even know if I can get them to kind of show up in the video here. They match very nice, but just a few little touch up spots in the hood. Shows very nice down this passenger side. So the paint has a nice glossy finish to it. This one's going to turn some heads, no doubt about that. The way it sounds, the way it looks, be a fun one for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. And best of all, it's done up even better than 56 with that overdrive transmission, more modern engine underneath the hood. Of course, leather bucket seats, as you can see. Tilt column. We'll get around to the driver's side, check that out a little closer. So you still have that old school look, but definitely more modern amenities. Soft tonneau cover. Good looking truck. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Did want to show you rear disc brakes, and as you can see, side mounted exhaust coming out in front of that rear wheel. Take a look at the chrome bumper on the back of this. Of course, the Chevrolet tailgate. Once again, those still pictures. Check out the underside, interior, engine bay, the bed of the truck. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're into these mid to late 50s Chevy trucks, maybe Ford trucks, or maybe like street rods in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, whether it be online or right off our showroom floor. Either way. And as you can see, driver's side, also paint has a nice shine to it. Again, just maybe a spot here or there where there's been just a little bit of touch up. Being pretty finicky. A spot on the door down here. Let's check out this interior. I know it has odometer gauges, kind of the stock looking cluster. There are some little notes that I will point out as we look through this truck for future reference. All right, far seating surfaces, leather buckets, no major rips, tears, or holes in those. As you can see, tilt column, looks like it possibly could be an I did it. There's the odometer gauges. All right. Battery disconnect switch is located under the passenger side front fender well. So we know that. This is a electric fuel pump switch. That's the electric fan switch. I'm going to leave those on there. We do have an aftermarket Sony stereo system. AC controls are running off. Same style as the originals. And down here it does have power windows. I'm going to leave this little note here. The power window switches are right down here in the back side of that shifter. So you're aware of that. Dash looks good. Good looking dash cluster, like I said, with those odometer gauges. There you can hear the electric fan, electric fuel pump. Tachometer is working. This baby's got a little rumble to it, folks. Sounds good. Let's go ahead and slip up, take a peek underneath this hood. Stick around to the very end of this video. We're going to take this truck for a drive, show you how it goes down the road, take you for a virtual ride, if you will. So let me get this hood open. We'll check out that engine bay. All right, underside of the hood. Smooth running, sounds good. Tell you what, I'm going to turn this off a second. I want to go through a few things underneath there with you. So let me turn it off. It'll be a lot easier for you to hear me. All right, so some things I wanted to point out. Aluminum radiator, again, 383 stroker paired up with a 700 R4 automatic with overdrive trans. Looks like we have a Dart intake manifold. We also have headers, like I said earlier, power brakes, four-wheel disc at all corners, power steering, AC blows cold. Now, some of the service work that was done to this does have a new AC compressor and condenser on it, as well as new valve cover gaskets. And then here on that inner fender we mentioned earlier, you can see the back side of that battery shutoff. So you would reach up through this fender to be able to turn that battery shut off. So that's the back side, switches on the other side. You'd reach up in that fender and again, disconnect that battery. Just thought it'd be easier for you to hear me explain some of those things underneath the hood. You'll be able to see this all in the still pictures, every angle underneath there. 1956 Chevrolet 3100, regular cab, short box, Stepside. Look at that stance. Nice looking truck. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1956 Chevrolet 3100 pickup truck. One of the best body styles of Chevrolet trucks, in my opinion, the mid to late 50s. This one nicely done. Our turn signal indicators are working. We have odometer gauges that all appear to be reading. Nice firm shifts from that automatic transmission. Good power. This has got a E&M shifter right on the floor. Water temperature showing about 170, still rising up a little. We don't even have the fan on yet. There is a fan switch over here. Fuel pump switch right next to it. That is on, of course. Fuel tank is half full. Volts are about 14. Oil pressure is 65 to 70. That's looking great. There's a Sony radio just below the dash. And speakers in the kick panels that sound great. AC's blowing cold right here on the center vents and vents down on the corners of the dash. Nice steering wheel with aluminum back with finger grooves and horn working. Power brakes feel good. This truck's got great power steering, easy to steer. Corner's fairly flat, corners nicely. Smooth running truck. Just feels good. You know, those vehicles where everything feels tight. This is one of those, and it looks great. Definitely take a look at all the pictures and learn about this truck at uniqueclassiccars.com.